Seventh chords. Okay, so these are dominant seventh chords, the kind you need when you're playing in a 1-4-5 progression. When you're at the 5, that's always going to be a dominant seventh chord. It's a very strong chord. It's used to very strong pull back to the root chord. You have several ways of playing it. We'll start in G here. First of all, the second string can be lowered a half step. And when it's not lowered, it's a major seventh, which means it's the leading tone to the root of the scale. What you want, however, is the dominant seventh, which is a whole step lower, not a half step lower from the root. And since we are a half step away from the root, we'll lower this a half step with your right knee lever going right, and you'll feel the half stop as it goes to the seventh. So if you have play Wooly Bully. Anyway, you've also got a nice seventh in the bass on the 9th string. This is the D, so you know it's without doing anything to it, just an open position. It's got a nice jazzy quality to it because of being in the bass there. It's got that's you're pressing the A pedal there, but anyway, that's the seventh right there too. That would be an F note against the G, which makes it a seventh. Okay, let's go back up 3 frets to our familiar place that we've already figured out for major chords, with the A pedal and the F lever engaged. In this case, we're gonna release the A pedal this time instead of the knee lever, because there's that friendly note. So, 3 frets higher, just the F lever raise. That's a 7th chord there. 2 frets higher than that, if you lower the E and have the B pedal engaged, that's also a G7th. These are available in all of the same voicings that we discussed with major chords. 10, 8, 6, 6, 8, 6, 5, 5, 4, 3, 6, 5, 4, etc. Okay. Now, because you're playing only 3 notes, what the rest of the band is doing has a huge effect on what sound you're actually going to make. So this is kind of the freedom of the instrument in a way, is that you've got a lot of things that are going to apply in more than one situation. And it's just a question of knowing, where you are and what you want to use at the given time. That covers it for 7th chords.